grab the chassis and we start investigating the inside of this. So what I like to do is to wear static proof gloves just in case. So what we're doing now is grabbing the mounting screws, the accessory bag essentially, which comes with wire straps and all the screws that's necessary, including additional mounting motherboard standoffs. That's included in this. The power supply is zip tied. So what I like to do is not zip tie it, like wire tied. And I like to undo that and throw that off to the side over here like so, out of the way. We also include, in here has USB 3.0 cable, USB 2.0 and audio for the front audio header. Also is the wires to connect to the motherboard itself. So we're prepping this. So let's see, we get these wires out of the way, kind of, sort of. We're going to drop them off to the side as well, including the hard drive, power light, reset, all that necessary wires. Which is interesting, this one's a little short, the LED, power LED light, which is fine. So we're just going to roll these things up and tuck them over here for now. Just get them out of the way. We don't want them. We don't want to, you know, have them there. Okay, guys, if you want to go to the motherboard installation, please go to this video here. The video here will be the motherboard installation. This is after the case preparation and back shield have been installed.